The capital letter. The capital letter is also called a big letter, or uppercase letter, or sometimes just a capital. Capital letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. When do you use a capital letter? Use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. The dog is barking. See here, first letter of the first word of a sentence. The dog is barking. In this sentence, the is first word. T is big letter. Capitalize the pronoun I. Capitalize the names of people, places, organizations, or things. Capitalize the names of cities, countries, nationalities, and languages. For example, cities: New York, London. Capitalize the first letter of the New York and London. Countries: Australia, USA. Capitalize the first letter of the Australia and USA. Nationalities: Christian, Hindu. Capitalize the first letter of the Christian and Hindu. Languages: English, Hindi. Capitalize the first letter of the English and Hindi. Capitalizing day's name. The word Sunday with its first letter in uppercase and the remaining letters in lowercase.